Welcome. Let's study in Taiwan and be fantastic. Taiwan is where world-class education comes with extraordinary cultural adventures.
Studying cultural studies in Taiwan extends beyond lectures and textbooks, as the rich traditions provide a living classroom where everyone can experience the culture firsthand.
Like here on the side of the Keelung River in Taipei, locals and foreigners alike flock to watch the exhilarating spectacle of the Dragon Boat Festival.
At the heart of this energetic festival is cultural wonder, offering visitors worldwide a glimpse into Taiwan's soul.
For students in cultural studies like me, participating in this festival offers meaningful engagement with the local culture. Studying in Taiwan offers more than just academic pursuit, but also unparalleled cultural immersion and memories that will last a lifetime.
Imagine not just watching the Dragon Boat Festival on your phone, but being part of the endless cultural adventures.
Welcome. Let's study in Taiwan. Be fantastic.